Hello, my little yogis. It's Miss Lisa. I'm so happy to be here with you today. We're going to be doing some monkey yoga. Can you see my monkey? Can you see it? Does anybody know the song or the book? Maybe you've seen it before. It goes like this. We'll just do a couple of rounds. Two little monkeys swinging in the tree. Teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me. Then along comes the crocodile, sneaky as can be, and snap that monkey out of the tree. One little monkey swinging in the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile, can't catch me. And then along comes the crocodile, sneaky as can be, and snap that monkey out of the tree. Ha ha. All right. We're going to do some poses today that have to do with that story. Can you stand up and come into tree pose? The monkeys were swinging in the tree. Can you put your weight into one leg and bring your other leg up and lift and stretch your arms up, become the branches of the tree. Take a big breath in here. Reach and get taller. Arms down, switch legs. Other leg comes down. Your other leg reaches up into your tree and your arms stretch up like the branches of a tree. Tree pose. Come on down, relax your arms down and release your legs. Here's another pose I'm going to show you. This is called gorilla pose in yoga. Take a big tall breath in, breathe out, come all the way down to the ground, and then see if you can step on the bottom of your hands, on your palms. Can you step and then let your head hang down? And this is gorilla pose. And maybe you can see if you feel a stretch in the back of your legs, stepping on your hands. Beautiful. Let's come now to a new pose. Take your hands out and we're going to walk our hands forward and step our feet back. All the way back, we're going to come into our crocodile pose. Walk your hands back a little bit. So you're at the top of a push-up. Okay, and now let's pretend to be a crocodile. That's it. This is your plank pose, where you could pretend to get down even lower and come down on your arms. Can you hold it here and take a few breaths? You're a crocodile. Breathe in and breathe out. Great job. Drop your knees and pull back and rest in child's pose. Take a breath or two here. Breathe in, breathe out. Again, breathe in and breathe out. And come on back up. Roll your shoulders up and back and down. Circle your shoulders and then roll them forward. Up and forward. That's it. All right. Our next pose that we're going to do is called banana pose. And I have a banana right here. Can you see it? This is my banana. So we're going to bring our bodies into the shape of a banana. Are you ready? Standing with your feet a little bit apart. Inhale, breathe in, stretch your arms up. One hand will reach for your other hand. Stretch that side and then lean over. Bring your body into the shape of a banana. And now one leg will cross over the other. Back to the middle. And breathe out. Lean the other way. Reach for that other hand. Stretch your side of body here. Looks like a banana. Breathe in and breathe out. Shake it out. All right. It's time to take a breathing break. Today, we're going to breathe by peeling our banana. It's snack time. Are you ready? So pretend that you're holding a banana, just like this. Take a breath in, and then peel your banana. Breathe out. Take a breath in, peel your banana, and breathe out. Take a breath in, peel your banana, and breathe out. One more side. Take your banana, take a breath in, and breathe out. And now you can eat your banana. But this one is just a toy. So we can take breath breaks any time of the day. Breathing in and peeling our banana, breathing out. Okay, so did you ever notice how monkeys swing from tree to tree to tree, back and forth, right? So we're going to next start to breathe as we sing the ABCs, and we're going to swing our arms side to side. Are you ready? Standing up, your feet are a little bit apart, and then we'll move them a little bit wider. Okay, are you ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Swing like those monkeys from tree to tree. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Great job. Take a big breath in, stretch up, and breathe out. Come back down into your gorilla pose. Hands come down. Can you step on your hands? Let your head hang down. Take a breath. Ready? Come on back up. Big breath in and big breath out. Great job. So, I'm going to ask you a question. We know that the monkeys are very busy. They move around a lot. They're swinging around from tree to tree. Did you ever notice that your thinking can be like that? Did you ever notice? Your thinking can go from thought to thought to thought. You can have so much going on. Your thinking can be so busy, right? Raise your hand if you ever worry, if you ever worried about something that might happen. Raise your hand if you ever felt upset that you kept thinking about something over and over and over, right? It was hard to let it go away, right? Raise your hand if you ever had a hard time falling asleep at night because you were thinking so much. It's very normal for all of us to have this happen to us. And sometimes our minds can get so busy, we can think of it as a snow globe. You notice when I shake up this snow globe, it's very busy in there. You really can't see very well in there, can't you? You can't see through it. But then when I hold it still, it starts to settle down. And so sometimes if we're feeling upset or worried, if we can settle down and do some of our banana breathing, we can start to see things a little bit more clearly instead of all the busy thinking. Busy, busy, busy mind. Everything is very busy. We can't see well in there. It's not clear. But when I hold it still, things begin to settle down. This is something that we can do to help take care of ourselves when our mind gets really busy. And if we're worried or anxious, we can settle down and take some deep breaths. All right. So we're going to do a few more monkey poses here. But I just want to remind you first, anytime that you might be feeling like this, what is this one? What is this emotion? Maybe frustrated, maybe worried, or anytime you might be feeling like this one, oh, sad, or maybe you feel like this. That's a great time to stop and do some banana breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. Peel your banana. Breathe in and breathe out. Great job. All right. How about we do some more monkey poses here? I'm going to hold them up so you can see a picture first. Okay. Here is our first pose. Do you remember the name of this pose? Can you see it okay? That's downward dog. Can you come into your down dog pose? Let's see, take a big breath in, big breath out, arms come down, reach for the floor, bend your knees, walk your hands out in front of you. And now try and see if you can reach your heels for the floor. Can you get your feet flat on the floor? And it's okay if they don't reach. But we're going to just hold it here and take some breaths. You can let your head hang. Can you shake your head? Yes and no. That's it. This helps to relax our neck. In downward dog, take a nice big breath in and a nice big breath out. We can even lift one leg just like it's our tail. Stretch your leg up. And come on back down. Switch sides. Your other foot grounding down into the floor and then stretch your leg up. Breath in and breath out. Release your leg down. Bend your knees and pull back and relax in child's pose. Take a breath here. In and out through your nose. Resting here. All right. Here's another pose. Are you ready? I'll hold this one up. Let's see if you can see it okay. Look at that cute little monkey. That's warrior 2. Can we come into warrior 2? Can you step one foot nice and wide and then bend into that knee? That's it. And now stretch your arms out. That's it. Can you look over your front hand? Now relax your shoulders and take a few breaths here. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. And now stretch back. Take a big breath in and reach up for the sky. Come on back. Let's switch it up and do the other side. I'm just going to flip my feet so facing the other direction. Are you ready? Bend into your front knee. Both feet are flat on the floor here. Stretch those arms. Take a breath in and a breath out. Warrior two, just like your little monkey. And now stretch back and reach up for that tree. Pretend you're a monkey reaching for that banana up in the tree. Big breath in and big breath out. Straighten your leg. Both feet face front and step out. Great job. Here's another one we're going to do. This one I think you will recognize is triangle pose. Can you see this cute little monkey doing triangle? Triangle pose. Let's see if we can do that together. There it is. Triangle pose with our little monkey. Okay, are you ready? Let's step back into our spot. Once again, step one leg out. Your feet are nice and wide apart. Your arms come out to the side. Now lean over that front leg. And when you can't go anymore, triangle pose. You can make your feet wider if that feels good. Take a breath here. Come on back up. Breathe in and breathe out. Let's flip our feet again. Are you ready? There we go. Bring those arms up. Triangle. I'm going to lean out over my front leg, and when I can't go anymore, your arm drops down and the other arm reaching up for that banana in the tree again. Take a breath in and a breath out. Breath in and a breath out. All right, come on back up. Stretch both arms up. Relax the arms down to your side. Both feet face straight ahead and step out. That's it. All right, we have one more that we're going to do together. And here it is. This is another pose where we'll be standing. This is our warrior pose. Can you see it? Warrior one. Are you ready? Come on back. Step one foot forward. Other foot back. And now breathe in and stretch, reach your arms up. All right, we're going to switch legs. Are you ready? We're going to jump on the count of 3 and switch our feet. 1, 2, 3, switch. That's it. Bend your front knee, reach and stretch up. Big breath in and a big breath out. Let your arms come back down to your side and step out. Shake it out. Okay. So we talked about if maybe we're feeling upset, we can do a little bit of banana breathing. Right? Even if you feel happy, you can take some banana breaths. And now we're going to pretend to be sleepy little monkeys. And we are going to take a rest. We're going to pretend like we're sleeping in the tree. So go ahead and lie down on your back. We know that resting is when we grow big and strong, when our body can heal. Reach your arms back overhead. Take a big breath into your belly. And then hug your knees into your chest. And rock side to side. Close your eyes. And now let's take a minute here to just relax and rest. If you're sitting at your desk, you can just put your head down on your desk. If you have a place where you can lie down and stretch out, and stretch your legs out and let your arms rest by your side. Let your hands face up and open. Rest here. See if you can watch your belly floating up and down. If you have a little monkey stuffy, you could put that monkey on your belly. Take it for a ride. Breathe in and breathe out. Thank you for joining me today. See you soon.